Hello there everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, didn't join the mathletes because they were too mainstream, Valvo. And today we're fixing an imbalance in our mathematical universe. Basically every operation we've dealt with thus far has had an opposite. Addition has subtraction, multiplication has division, etc. But what about the operation of raising one number to the power of another? How do we undo exponents? Squaring a number means to raise it to the power of 2. For example, 3 squared is 3 to the 2, which equals 3 times 3, which equals 9. The opposite of squaring a number is to take what is called the square root. The square root of a number is indicated by putting it inside a radical sign, which looks like this. The square root of a number answers the question, what number times itself